So in the last video, we have started converting this guest room slash office space to something that we will absolutely love. And we have started putting in the major furnitures. Like for example, we already have the bed, which is also convertible to a pull-out bed. So if there's multiple guests, they can absolutely enjoy this space. And also to my left, we also started building a table for the office space, which is looking quite nice. I'm pretty excited to what's coming next. And also it's not a straight up continuation from the previous video because since filming that video and today, someone really cute decided to join us. And I'm not talking about Skylar. So yes, we now have 2 kids. it's crazy enough for me to hear that we now have 2 babies to care for and this family is growing. And we'll for sure give them a little visit later on the video because Max and Cloud are just resting right now. But I'm so excited to continue the work in this room. Let's get started. Now this one just came in the mail. We ordered a couple of mattresses from Amazon. This is actually pretty new to us. Before, when we order some mattress, we always go to a store, give a feel of it. So these mattresses are vacuum sealed, that's why they were able to ship it like this, as small as this, and we're about to air them out. One more. Excuse me. Somebody's already playing with it. Is that how you use it?
Yeah.
So you might have seen the designs from the previous video, so you might have a slight idea on what we're trying to do. For this wall, we are planning to put some storage cabinets that we could use for the office and also for the guest room. But to be honest, I'm feeling a little nervous with this wall because you guys know that we are living in a townhome, so this wall is a shared wall. So I'm hoping that I don't trip any wires and I'm hoping I don't pierce through the wall of the neighbors. So just continuing the trend on what Skylar's room was, we also have a pegboard. This is the trickiest from IKEA that we are going to put onto this wall. And it's essentially something that could hold our headphones or anything really for the office. So for the bottom piece of cabinetry, we chose to use the Besta system with IKEA. I think Besta system is probably one of the more flexible systems out there when it comes to furniture. You can pretty much pick whatever size of cabinetry that you like and then put them all together. And it also has the ability to be mounted. So that's a big plus for us because at the bottom here, since we have a pull-out bed, the bottom area doesn't really make sense to put some furniture. So we have to mount them in order to maximize the space. So I'm planning to put this one aside for now because there's another set of storage cabinets that's going on top of these. May as well just build everything and then when it's time to mount them, try to mount them all at once. Now these are the same type of cabinets that we've installed on Skylar's room. We thought of just making it the same since it's going to be a general theming within the house. And also this room is going to be eventually going to be a child's room because of baby Cloud. So I think it'll be easier for us to repurpose some of these furnitures when it's time to reconvert. Okay, so here's the nerve-wracking part. Is actually mounting these cabinets onto the wall, making sure that they fall into a stud, making sure that they're stable enough to hold items in them. So far, I've detected 3 studs that I could hook into using a stud finder, which by the way is a game changer if you're looking to mount a few things. This is the one that we have, which I think was the stud finder that we bought since we moved into the condo the first time. I don't know, maybe some of you guys may have seen that video where we're decorating the condo and we use the same stud finder. I love it because not only it detects the stud, it also detects if there's some electricity. Okay, I'm pretty stoked about how this Besta turned out. I think I spent half of the time measuring, making sure that there's studs in there. I feel like I did a great job because it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't look like it's going to fall. And you can definitely put stuff in there with confidence. So while the measurements and the mounting is turning out okay, I just found out that we have a bit of a problem because I just opened the doors of the cabinets that I'm trying to mount and it's not the same color. Sometime today I'm gonna have to run back to IKEA to get this exchanged because we can't have white cabinets and then gray doors. Well, good thing it's not a bad day to go to IKEA today. Well, I should have gotten the right color beforehand, so I'm pretty sure this is the right one now. Okay, I'm pretty proud of how this is all looking. It's slowly coming together, just what we had in the original rendering. And you guys be the judge if it's quite different or similar to the original rendering. There's still a lot that we needed to do for this room. These are just the cabinetry, but I'm pretty stoked that we got it mounted properly. So like I mentioned, these are the exact same cabinets as what we have for Skylar's room. These are soft close cabinets too, so you can easily do this. And I think it's great that we have a bit more storage because you can never have too much storage in a house, especially if we have a lot of stuff. I'm thinking of storing some of our travel stuff in here. We can easily tuck it away if we're not traveling, or easily just put some more baby stuff in there. Finally appearing on the vlog for the very first time is this little one. We were trying to find a good time that he is awake, but he's just been so sleepy lately, and I guess that's going to be continuing over the next few weeks of his life.
And it feels so surreal that he's here with us outside my belly.
We'll see you guys next time. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye.